We are thrilled to share that over the past 6 years, we have been developing our own data analysis system at our school using Google Spreadsheets. While there are many student data analysis tools available from the Department of Education and other private companies, we wanted to create a system that meets our unique needs and goals. Over the years, we have made significant improvements to our data systems, starting with a basic student search feature and now including a grade entry system, after-school programs, benchmark assessments analysis, progress report cards, teacher schedules, and much more.
One of the most significant benefits of using our system in school is customization. It is practical and flexible, allowing us to add or remove any data components within minutes. Administrators or teachers can manipulate the data at any time to use on their side, and we can add any necessary components for free. We strongly believe that our system provides a unique and comprehensive approach to student data analysis. Our system has been getting some awesome feedback from teachers. They're finding it super helpful in keeping track of their students' progress and identifying areas where extra support may be needed. How cool is that? As we continue to improve our data analysis system, we look forward to sharing our insights and experiences with other schools in the district. Let's work together and improve the best practices for analyzing student data.